Welcome to my channel, and today I am going to be presenting the Integrated Science 2022 Paper 1. Alright, let us begin. Question 1 says the most important reason for ensuring that a baby is fed the milk his or her mother produces during the first 3 to 5 days of lactation is that the milk is? The answer for that is D. The milk gives the baby protection against infections. Question 2. Antibodies are important in the human body because they B. Protect against disease. Question 3. Which of the following structures is responsible for energy production in an animal cell? And the answer is C, the mitochondria. Question 4. Which part of the flower forms the seed after fertilization? And the answer is the ovule, and that is A. Question 5 is a question that I've seen on more than one occasion. It says, it refers to the following diagrams which display seeds under different conditions in 4 test tubes plugged with cotton wool. The question is, in which test tube is germination most likely to take place? And the correct answer for that one is B, test tube B, or test tube 2, which is corresponds with B. But there's 28 degrees Celsius, there's moisture, there is air. Question number 6. Which of the following organisms is not a microbe? The answer is the bedbug. D. Question 7. Which of the following refers to the method of planting in which crops are grown in alternate bands? The answer for that one is strip planting. C. Question number 8 asks us to identify the part labeled Y, and that is the nucleus in the animal cell. Question number 9. During menstruation, the lining of the uterus is shed. That is a B. Question number 10. Which of the following shapes describes the molar teeth? The molar is a flat top for the most part. That is C. Question number 11 says, which of the following occurs during the inhalation at the area labeled X on the diagram? And the response is the rib cage moves upwards. That is A. Let us move now to question number 12. Which of the following are common features of respiratory surfaces? The correct response is 1 and 3 only. Respiratory surfaces are moist and well supplied with the blood vessels. Question number 13. Which of the following types of drugs are used to get rid of water from the human body? The answer is D, diuretics. Question number 14 asks us to identify the bone labeled X. That is the humerus. Question number 15. Which of the following best describes natural and artificial light? The answer is D. Natural light contains all the colors of the visible spectrum, while artificial light intensity is easily adjusted. Question number 16. Which of the following are significant sources of pollution? The answer is of air pollution. Air pollution, that's the key there. The correct response is C, 2 and 3 only. Question number 17. A hinge joint is found at the knee. That is the correct response, A. Question number 18. Which of the following statements about respiration is true? The answer is C. Aerobic respiration requires oxygen, while anaerobic respiration does not require oxygen. Question number 19. Which of the following processes are associated with excretion by the kidney? And those are filtration and reabsorption. 1 and 3 only, that is B. Question number 20. The amount of water entering the tissues of the body is controlled by osmoregulation. D. Question number 21. Cataracts are most likely developed in the structure labeled eye, which is the lens, and that is A. Question number 22. Which number represents the larval stage in this mosquito life cycle? And that is 2, which is B. Question number 23. The 3 small bones found in the middle ear of a human being are called the ossicles. D. Which of the following can be caused by the improper disposal of solid waste? The correct answer is 1, 2, and 3. The spread of disease, contamination of the soil, and creation of pest breeding grounds can all be caused by improper disposal. The answer is D. Question number 25. Which of the following organisms is a parasite? That's the tick. Question number 26. Which of the following energy conversion takes place during the process of photosynthesis? And that is light to chemical. D. Question number 27. Which of the following correctly matches the type of bulb with its characteristic? And the answer is A. Filament. A filament bulb, brightness is easily controlled. Question number 28. The method of heat transfer through the metal rod in the picture is conduction. B. Question number 29. Which equipment makes a person working on the sides of the road visible to motorists? That is C. A safety vest. Question number 30. Which equipment protects a person from toxic fumes? That is B. The respirators. Number 31 is asking us to determine electricity usage between the period of February, the end of February to the end of March. The correct response there is A. We subtract the previous reading from the current reading. Number 32. The unit of current is ampere. Number 33. In which of the labeled positions is the effort usually applied? The effort is applied in 2, which is B. Question number 34. A fire extinguisher that contains water should not be used on a chemical fire or an electrical fire. That is 2 and 3 only, which is C. Number 35. The diagram is an example of a simple lever, which is B. Number 36. Wet clothes are most likely to dry quickly under conditions of C. High temperature and low humidity. Question number 37. Which of the following are properties of aluminum alloys that make them suitable for the manufacture of aircraft and boats? The answer is they are light and they are strong. 1 and 2 only. A. Question number 38. The word equation that describes the reaction between aluminum and hydrochloric acid is A. Aluminum plus hydrochloric acid produces aluminum chloride and hydrogen. Question number 39. The rusting of iron is an example of an oxidation reaction. Question number 40. Brass is a mixture of copper and zinc. C. Question number 41. Which of the following is not an advantage of using aluminum to make cooking pots? Which is not an advantage, that is aluminum is a soft metal, that is A. 42. A substance X has a pH of 2. This means X is an acid. Question number 43. Which of the following chemicals removes nail polish? That is B. Acetone. Number 44. Hard water is referred to as water that does not easily form lather when with soap. That is D. Number 45. Soapless detergents differ from soapy detergents mainly because A. Soapy detergents are biodegradable. Soapless detergents, soapy detergents are biodegradable. Of course, right, let's move to number 46. Earth is labeled as 3, the third planet away from the sun, that is C. Venus is labeled as 2, the second planet away from the sun, which is B. Number 48. Decayed organic matter in the soil is called humus. B. Number 49. The installation of low-flow showerheads and taps is a method of water conservation because it involves D. Using water-saving devices. Question number 50. A non-moving boundary between two air masses is called a stationary front. C. Number 51. Which of the following is not a fossil fuel? That is biomass. B. Number 52. The image best describes or best represents a total lunar eclipse. A total lunar eclipse, that is 52. Number 53. Which of the following methods involves the settling of heavy suspended material? That is sedimentation. Number 54. Which of the following air masses is typically found over the Caribbean Sea? That is maritime tropical air mass, which is C. Number 55. The increased pressure encountered by divers at large depth below sea level can affect the airs. A. Number 56. Which of the following is not a water safety device? That's the inflatable balloon. Number 57. Which of the following diagrams represents an object in stable equilibrium? That is B. Number 58. Which of the following is not associated with the use of fossil fuels? That is erosion. Number 59. The direction in which the plane is moving is Y to X, and we know that because the air enters from the front, and we can see on the drawing that the air is entering from X, so we know the plane is going from Y to X. Number 60. Country X experiences an earthquake and there was minimal damage to buildings. The Richter scale reading would most likely be 5. That is C. That is the end of the presentation of the Integrated Science Paper 1 2022. I'm just going to go back to the top and just run through from the top. Alright, so that's page 1.